Okay, let's take our fast Battement tendu now with poses, en avant, en arrière, and décoté away from the bar. So starting in 5th position, arm bras bar. You've got 4 counts to prepare the arms. Second, 5, 6, 7, 8. Tendu 1, slow, and 2, quick. 1, slow to demi-plie, 5th bras bar with the plie. Petit développé and pose en avant, arms 5th, tight 5th, squeeze down, arm opens the 2nd. Same with the inside leg derrière. 1, slow, then 2, quick. 1, slow to demi-plie bras bar, petit développé and pose en arrière, tight 5th, squeeze arm 2nd. Same in 2nd, changing the leg in 2nd. 1, slow, then 2, quick. 1, slow to demi-plie both arms bras bar, petit développé to low 2nd with the arms 1st, pose décoté, changing feet, lower down. Inside leg back 1st, then 2, quick. 1, slow to demi-plie bras bar, petit dév, pose back to the bar, détourné, arm opens the 2nd, keep the arm where it is and lower the heels. 2nd side straight away. 1, slow, and 2, quick. 1, slow to demi-plie bras bar, petit dév, up and lower. Inside leg to the back and 2, quick, keeping the hips square, plie bras bar and petit développé en arrière, lower 5th. Side, change, then 2, quick. 1, slow to demi-plie bras bar both arms, petit dév, squeeze the thighs together, lower, back to the bar and quick. 1 to demi-plie bras bar, petit dév, back, détourné, arm 2nd and calmly down to bras bar to finish. Have we got that? Good. Okay, let's have some notes. Preparing the arm to 2nd. We're going to take our tendus. Now, the trick with fast tendus, because of the speed, you tend to want to lift the foot off the floor. So it's a feeling of imagine the toes like a dart pointing to the flow, even at speed. So we do the first one slow and in, and then quick and quick. That's it. Another slow. Now use your demi-plie. Try not to miss out the movement here. Slow motion, you're actually doing a petit développé going through your coup de pied to extend low. But that's very quick. We go 1, slow and 2, quick. 1, slow, plie and. Do that from the top. And 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, plie 6, and pose 7. That's it, getting that strength to get up there by squeezing the thighs together without pushing yourself off balance. Lower the heel, arm 2nd. Same with the inside leg derrière, trying to keep lifted on that supporting hip and keep the hips square. Derrière, 1, slow, and 2, quick. 1, slow. Use your demi, now tracking through the coup de pied and petit développé, and pose en arrière, squeeze the thighs, good girl, and lower. Now going to the side, again lifting off the supporting side so we can cross the leg derrière in 2nd. Go 1, slow and quick, 1 slow, both arms down, feel the weight center, petit développé and. Now pose décoté, go to the toe, that's it. So just the right amount of force to take the weight and the body in one piece over and lower. Back to the bar, 1, slow and quick, maintaining the upper body, plie bras bar, and petit dév, and boom. Can you go back? Can I see that moment of, and the leg in 2nd. Plie, show the leg, and that's it, pose, up, détourné, and lower. Other side, 1, slow and quick, toes on the floor, 1, slow to demi-plie, take the body in one piece, and petit dév, lifting and lower. Derrière, 1, slow and quick, 1 slow to plie. Now, I want you to feel every time you pose, the stomach muscles are engaged. As you pose, it's almost like you're physically, can you feel what I'm doing? You're going to do that with your abdominals and lift your body into 5th. And petit développé, lift, that's it. I actually saw the abdominals engaging there. And lower. Same in 2nd, especially to the side. Go out, cross behind, and cross your 5ths, that's it. 1 to plie, and again, tummy muscles lift you into the décoté, up and lower, and then back. cross, and fifth, one plie slow, and lift the body into fifth détourné, and then lower down. Good girl, well done. Preparing the arm, one slow and two quick. One slow to plie, pose, low, and inside leg. Use your plie, petit déposé, and side. And cross, one plie, take the body in one piece. Back to the bar, keep the tummy engaged, and up, soutenu, and up. Good girl, in, one plie, and up. Derrière, in, plie, pose, and low. To the side, cross, and fifth, good plie, and low. Back to the bar, plie, and up, and turn, and low. Good effort, well done. Preparing the arm, one slow and two quick. One slow to plie, pose, low, and inside leg. Use your plie, petit déposé, and side. And cross, one plie, take the body in one piece. Back to the bar, keep the tummy engaged, and up, soutenu, and up. Good girl, in, one plie, and up. Derrière, in, plie, pose, and low. To the side, cross, and fifth, good plie, and low. Back to the bar, plie, and up, and turn, and low. Good effort, well done.